Let's see some one-shot instructions. So ONS, which is one shot, and OSR, which is one shot rising, and we have OSF, which is one shot falling. So one shot means it will give just one pulse, right? So if you are using normally open contact, and if you are turning on, if you are toggling that, it will give the continuous pulse to the output, right? So whenever you are turning on normally open contact, it will be giving complete continuous pulse, so that your output will be remain on until you turn off the normally open contact. But if you are using one shot in between your normally open contact and output, it will just give exactly one pulse, right? I'll show you in the software. So before that, just watch here. I'll do the simulation. What is this continuous and what is this single shot? Just watch here. So I'm going to toggle it, right? So once I have toggled, it is continuously giving pulse. That's what your lamp is still on. If you turn off, then only your lamp will go to off. This is a continuous pulse, right? So like that, we are having one shot. You can find the instruction here, one shot, ONS. Just click on that. You need to introduce this one shot between your input and output. So the one shot is asking a question mark. That means we need to give some address for this one shot. A temporary memory to store that one pulse. So I'm going to give a memory address, bit address, B3:0/0 I'm giving, right? Just go for error check. Now go online. So what exactly it is going to do means, instead of giving a continuous pulse, it is going to give single pulse. Just watch here. I'm going to toggle it. That's it. A lamp was on for just 1 second. Just for one pulse it was in a on condition. Just watch again. Watch the lamp. That's it. It will be very fast. Sometimes we can able to see. Yeah, I hope you have seen now. This one. It will be very fast, right? So this is one shot. So one shot will give exactly only one pulse instead of continuous, right? Let's go for the next instruction, which is OSR, which is one shot rising. And we are having one shot falling also. So what is this one shot rising means? Whenever you are going to turn on from 0 to 1, whenever the pulse is going to 0 to 1, that time it will give a pulse, right? Just check here. So this one shot rising and one shot falling, both are output instruction. Fine. So you cannot able to connect a coil over here. So if you click on this OSR, it will be coming at the end. So this is the output instruction. It is asking two address we need to give. One is storage bit, another one is output bit. So I'm going to give storage bit as one binary bit, and same here also I'm going to give the next bit, right? And this output bit we need to use it with the exact output coil. So I'm going to get one contact, one coil, and for this I'm going to give the output bit address. Just drag and place it here, and this gonna be our output lamp. So what exactly this OSR will do? Whenever you are turning on, it will give just one pulse when it rising. What is that rising? When it change from 0 to 1. Check for error. Download. Run. Watch the lamp. I'm going to turn on switch. That's it. Lamp will on when the switch change from 0 to 1, right? So when you turn off, nothing will be happening because this is one shot rising. When it is going to on, that time it will give 1 pulse. So when it will give pulse when it is going to off, that is nothing but 1 shot falling. We'll see that also. I'm going to take one more rung. I'm going to give the same input. Take 1 shot falling, which is also the output block. So let's give some different address. 2. And here I'm going to give the next address. Right? Take one more rung to get the binary contact and 1 coil. And what is the address means? This one. Falling block output bit. I'm going to take that address with 1 new output coil. Let's name it as lamp 1. This is second lamp. Fine. This may be our lamp 0. Just go for online. So whenever I'm going to turn on, it will give 1 pulse to the lamp 0, right? If I turn off, because of this falling block, this lamp 1 will get 1 pulse. Because this is a falling edge. When I'm going to change from 1 to 0, just watch the lamp 1. That's it. It will give 1 pulse. So this is how we need to use the 1 shot rising block and 1 shot falling block. Both are output block, and 1 shot. This 1 shot you need to use between input and output. It will be like a input instruction. It should be between your input and output block. Like this you need to use.